For anyone passionate about cooking, cast iron is often the go-to choice. And if you're on the hunt for a skillet that combines versatility, durability, and convenience, this Cuisinel 12-inch cast iron skillet with lid could be the answer. Renowned for its craftsmanship, this skillet offers precision heat distribution and a range of cooking options, making it a must-have for both kitchen enthusiasts and casual cooks alike. This review dives into what makes the Cuisinel skillet unique, exploring its benefits, practical uses, and why it stands out among other cookware options. Why choose the Cuisinel cast iron skillet over other brands? The Cuisinel skillet combines traditional cast iron craftsmanship with modern features. Its versatility and durability make it ideal for those who want one piece of cookware that can do it all, indoors or outdoors. Cuisinel's commitment to quality shows in the pan's precise heat distribution, easy maintenance, and thoughtful design. What sets the Cuisinel cast iron skillet apart? While there are many cast iron skillets on the market, Cuisinel brings a unique combination of functionality, quality, and attention to detail. Here's what makes this skillet truly special. Key features and benefits. 1. Precision heat distribution. One of the standout features of this skillet is its precision heat distribution. Cast iron is known for retaining heat, but the Cuisinel skillet takes it a step further with its smooth, polished finish. This helps deliver consistent heat across the cooking surface, eliminating hot spots and ensuring evenly cooked meals. Whether you're frying, baking, or searing, the heat distribution enables better control over your cooking, leading to tastier, well-cooked dishes. 2. Versatile cooking options. The Cuisinel cast iron skillet isn't limited to just frying. This all-purpose skillet excels at baking, grilling, broiling, braising, and sautéing. With this skillet, you can easily switch between stovetop, oven, or even campfire cooking. It's perfect for a variety of meals, from searing steaks and frying eggs, to roasting vegetables and baking cornbread. For those who want one pan that does it all, the Cuisinel cast iron skillet is an excellent investment. 3. Heavy-duty cast iron braiser lid. The included braiser lid with drip points transforms this skillet into a mini oven, helping lock in moisture and flavor for slow-cooked dishes. The drip points ensure even moisture distribution, perfect for braising meat or simmering casseroles. 4. Durable non-slip silicone handle holder. Cast iron can get incredibly hot, which is why the Cuisinel skillet comes with a non-slip silicone handle holder to protect your hands. While the handle grip doesn't stay entirely cool, it adds a layer of safety, giving you a secure grip when transferring the skillet between the stove, oven, or table. 5. Easy maintenance for long-term use. With proper care, cast iron can last for generations, and the Cuisinel skillet is no exception. After each use, hand wash the skillet, dry it thoroughly on medium heat, and season it with a light layer of oil. Avoid putting it in the dishwasher to maintain the integrity of the seasoning. Cooking with the Cuisinel cast iron skillet, an experience to remember. Cooking with cast iron is all about enhancing flavor and texture. The Cuisinel skillet's smooth finish and high-quality construction make it an excellent choice for any cook looking to elevate their culinary skills. With its 12-inch size, it offers ample space to prepare meals for the entire family, whether you're whipping up a one-pan breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner. The skillet's design helps retain and distribute heat evenly, which is essential for achieving perfect browning and a delicious sear. The braiser lid allows you to retain heat and moisture, making it ideal for recipes that require slow cooking, such as stews, casseroles, and braised meats. How to make the most of your Cuisinel cast iron skillet? 1. Cooking tips. Preheat the skillet on medium-low heat for a few minutes before adding oil or food. This step ensures even cooking. Avoid acidic foods until the skillet develops a well-seasoned surface, as this can degrade the seasoning. 2. Cleaning and maintenance tips. Hand wash only, and avoid using soap as it can strip the seasoning. Always dry the skillet thoroughly after washing, and apply a light coating of oil to maintain its non-stick surface. 3. Using the braiser lid for flavorful meals. Use the braiser lid when you want to lock in flavors and retain moisture. The lid's drip points help evenly distribute moisture, which is perfect for braising meat or simmering sauces. 4. Outdoor cooking. This skillet is not just for indoor cooking. It's built to withstand campfires and grills, making it a perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Final thoughts. The Cuisinel Cast Iron Skillet with lid is an exceptional piece of cookware that brings a professional-grade cooking experience to your home. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this skillet is designed to meet all your cooking needs. Its heavy-duty build, even heat distribution, and easy-to-clean nature make it a standout choice for any kitchen. If you're looking for a skillet that balances quality, functionality, and versatility, the Cuisinel Cast Iron Skillet is an investment that will pay off in years of delicious meals. Don't miss the opportunity to add this high-performing skillet to your kitchen. Your taste buds will thank you. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.